out of that place. It was too low. Now this thing will affect this car.
This is water from Sunnyvale Road. This is like river. See how people are stopped. They are not able to move because of the bad road.
You have slippers there. This thing got to stop.
See how people are suffering.
This is our Sunnyvale Road. This is the road that they started constructing. This is the situation right now. The road is blocked. Everywhere is blocked. This is river flowing. This is the road leading from Sunnyvale to Kabusa village. The entire road is blocked. It's a big river here. The construction company that started constructing this road, they left it and abandoned it. They left this road, and now this is the situation we are facing here. Vehicles cannot even pass. And they came and they named the road. Look at it. This is the name they gave the road, SULEIMAN O BOGORO Way. They named this road, and now look at what is happening. We cannot pass. The road is blocked all the way. Look at it. Look at it. We cannot do anything. Even keke napep cannot move. Look at it. The road is blocked. They abandon us. Look at it. The construction company left. Look at it. Look at it. They left the road. They abandoned us here. See it. Look at it. We can't pass. The road is blocked all the way. We are calling on the FCT minister to come and check this. So come and look at what is happening here. The construction company, they have abandoned their work. Look at it. We don't know what's going on.